So the thing here is that currently, if you have a Roku device, it's getting an update which will give you, for the first time, Apple AirPlay 2 and HomeKit technologies. So it's something that Apple is trying to get on all devices, and Roku is another device that they have gotten their stuff on. So the update, which is going to come on the latest Roku OS 9.4 updates, so it will add, like I said, AirPlay 2. Now, if you have your Roku Ultra Streambar, you'll get this as well. If you have the Streambar Stick Plus, you'll get this update. If you have the Roku Premiere, you'll get it as well. So just know that the upgrade is going to only come when you upgrade the OS of the Roku device to 9.4. So it's coming in a few weeks. It's something that has already been announced. You will also have access to the Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, and Siri. That's once this update happens. So it's quite nice. The Apple, the Apple 4K streamer on its own costs around $180. So getting it, at least the AirPlay 2 Plus on another device like a Roku device, I think is a win for anybody that really likes streaming and watching content. So that is it. Please do follow us on our YouTube channel, do subscribe, like our content, and I'm going to see you guys next time.